Okay, hello everyone and all English learners. Welcome back to my English learning channel. Okay, today's topic I am going to talk about present perfect. That is a kind of tense in English language. Okay, let's start and listen all together. Okay, we start with definition. The definition of present perfect. That we use present perfect to talk about an action which has just happened or recently finished without definite time, and also we can use it to talk about an action which happened in the past and it still continues up to the present time. Let me clarify with that. We use it to talk about the action that has just happened or recently finished. We can say that has just completed or finished. For example, let me give you an example like I have eaten breakfast. It means that I have already eaten breakfast. Mean that I'm stopped eating breakfast. So the action has finished before nowadays maybe in short time. Okay. In the next we can say we can use it to talk about an action which happened in the past and it still continues up to the present, mean that up to now. Let me give you an example like I have become a teacher since 2018 and right now I am teaching, I am working as a teacher. This means that the action happened in 2018. I have become a teacher in since 2018. It happened in 2018 and it still continue up to now that I am working as a teacher. Do not change my position. So it is present perfect. Okay, let's move to positive form. Okay, there are four forms in present perfect. Positive form, there are subject plus have and has plus past participle plus object. That past participle sometimes we call verb 3. Okay, negative form, they are subject plus have or has plus not plus past participle plus object. And question, they are have and has plus subject plus past participle plus object and plus question mark. And negative question, sometimes we call question negative. They are have and has plus not plus subject plus past participle or plus object and plus question mark. Okay, let's move to the next with positive form. That positive form, I repeat it again, subject plus have and has plus past participle plus object. That I, we, you, and they, we use with have, and he, she, it, that we call third person singular, we use with has. For example, I have learned English for a year. I have learned English for a year. The action has started, happened in a years ago, but it still continue up to now. Okay, we have done our homework at the moment. Okay, it recently in short time that we have finished our homework. We can say like that. You have passed your exam test. We have won the match. Okay, he has finished his work. She has worked as a teacher for 2 months. It has used 2 times in this month. Okay, this is the present perfect in positive form that you can understand the process how to use in positive form of present perfect. Okay, let's move to the next. I want to clarify with the verb that we use in present perfect. So we call verb 3 or past participle over there, and here also past participle with irregular verb and irregular verb. So in irregular verb, we need to remember the process of become past form and past participle from negative form. For example, that simple form, or sometimes we call infinitive verb in present. Okay, become, became, become, go when gone, tick thought thought, win won, eat ate eaten, do did done, buy bought bought, know knew known. That is the process of irregular verb that we use all this in present perfect and past perfect as well. Okay, and let's move to regular verb that we need to add ed to become past form and past participle form. Okay, and in regular verb when we add ed, there are three types of sound to express. And the first I want to show you about the sound ter. Okay, and when the verb ending with k, p, s, ch, sh, gh, ce, c. Okay, we need to express the sound ter. The rule of express the sound is ter, like load, chipped, missed, white, finished, loud, done, fit. Okay, that is the rule when we read or write. It's no problem for writing, but in reading maybe it causes some problem. Okay, remember the verb end with k, p, s, ch, sh, gh, ce, c, and h. So we need to express the sound ter. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, the sound it. So remember when we express the sound it, the verb ending with d and t. Okay, the consonant d and t. So we need to express the sound it. For example, needed, loaded, invited, waited. So it's the sound of it. So for the last one, our regular verb with ed. So the last one is that. Okay. When the verb ending with l, n, o, g, v, s, z, b, m. So we need to express on the, for example, called, cleaned, offered, damaged, load, used, made, rob. So that is rob because it double b, climbed. Okay, climbed. Okay, that is the sound of the, it, and the. So remember in your speaking, we need to apply for presentation. In writing, it's no problem because it's no sound. When we speak, we need to express the sound. Okay, let's move to the next. With negative form, I repeat it again. There are subject plus have a has plus not plus past participle and plus object. For example, I have not learned English for a year. I haven't learned English for a year. For short form, we can use haven't. Let me show you. Haven't. Sometimes we say like that. We write like that. Okay, that is the short form. But for my suggestion, I don't want you to write on the short form because it will cause some problem. Okay, it will cause some problem for your writing. Okay, we have not done our homework yet, or we haven't done our homework yet. You have not passed the test. You haven't passed the test. You haven't passed the test. They have not won the match. They haven't won the match. Okay, that is the full form of negative form in present perfect. And let's continue. He has not gone to Australia since 2019. He hasn't gone to Australia since 2019. That is the present perfect in negative form. She has not worked. Okay, she has not worked as a teacher for 2 months. It has not used. 2 times in this month. Okay, that is the negative form in present perfect. Remember that form and the usage. Okay, let's move to the next with question form. Okay, with question form we have and has plus subject plus past participle plus object and plus question mark. For example, have I learned English for a year? Yes, I have. Okay. Have we done our homework yet? Yes, we have. Or sometimes we no need to use the word yet because yet is just to ask something already or not. Have we done our homework? Okay. Okay. Have you eaten breakfast yet? Eat, eaten is the participle of eat. Okay. Have they gone to US? No, they haven't. Okay, that is the question form in present perfect. Let's continue. Has. Okay. Has he gone to Australia since 2019? Yes, he has. Has she worked as a teacher for 2 months? No, she hasn't. Has it not used 2 times in this month? No, it hasn't. Okay, that is the question form in present perfect. So remember the form of it and the usage. The example like that. For example, has Dara gone to US since 2018? Okay, you can use because I want to show you about the main subject like I, we, you, they, he, she, it, and sometimes we can put the name or put the group. Okay, it's up to you, but I want to show you about the main subject and the usage of it. Okay, let's move to the next with negative question, or sometimes we call question negative. Okay, haven't I learned English for a year? So in negative question, we need to use the short form of have not. It's better than have not I learned English for a year. Okay, it's informal. Okay, that is the short form is popular for writing and speaking as well. Haven't we done our homework yet? Haven't you eaten breakfast yet? Haven't they gone to US? Okay, that is the negative question. Hasn't he not gone to Australia since 2019? Hasn't she not worked as a teacher for 2 months? Hasn't it not used 2 times in this month? Okay, that is the question, negative question form in present perfect. So just remember the form and the usage, the example and here. And the next, I want you to know about WA question that we can use in present perfect. Okay, you can use whatever you want, like which has lost. Okay, with WA question, which plus has or have lost. Who has done it? What has happened? Okay, it's verb 3 or past participle. It still worked on that. Have and has, it still work on that. And the next WA question again. Have and has plus subject plus past participle plus object plus question mark. Which have you lost? Which have you lost? Who has she loved? Who has she loved? What have you said? What have you said? Okay, to add something, to add some word that you have said at the moment, or I don't clear, I'm not catch up. What does it mean? And I ask you again. What have you said? Okay, it is the present perfect that to ask the action or to express the action that happened before now in short time and finish before now in short time as well. Okay, that is present perfect. Okay, thank you so much for your watching my video, and I hope you all enjoy with my video and to get some experience from my experience showing in this video. Thank you so much for your reading, watching, sorry. And if you have any question and any feedback and any mistake from my speaking or showing, please comment below. I am ready, I am happy to get and to change it for all of us. Thank you so much. See you next time.